As it's stuck unclear here, got a bit of an unboxing here of the new Dell Inspiron 2775. Now this is the model that most reviewers aren't doing. It's one with the AMD Ryzen 5 1400, and if I can get these piece out here, we'd be doing really good. Got a bit of a new setup, so that's why I've been away. Got a couple of Google Homes minis, which I'll be doing a review on shortly. There's a base stand there. I think we got the power brick is massive on this guy. It's just gonna be a furnace of, so should be interesting here. I'm gonna tilt the camera up a little bit. Yeah, it's massive power brick. Since this thing doesn't have a power brick built in, my old setup for all my editing was a Dell XPS 15, the older model with the 960M. So I had to actually set up a bit of a new studio. I was doing a lot of my videos on my granite countertop in the living room, so we moved up a table and upstairs and threw it in the bedroom as my mini studio for this. There's the keyboard. Keyboard feels pretty nice. We'll kind of find out a little bit more about the mouse and how it feels. It looks, it's got one of those curvatures there, so we'll see how that withstands time. And now for the fun part, which I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but taking out the brick itself. There we go. Nice and big 27-inch 4K screen. Because I can't do any of my photo editing without it. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera here since I'm recording with my cell phone. Makes things a little bit more interesting. Get the camera pointed towards everything here. Base is got this one of those cool little screws there, which is very, very handy. Boy, you got a bit of heft to it, which is good to see. take out the plastic. As you can see, here I'll kind of difficult to see, but a couple of USB 3 ports, 3 USB 3 ports, HDMI on the other side, another HDMI, USB-C or USB 3.1 type C, another USB 2, another HDMI out. So you have HDMI out, HDMI in. And then if I'm not mistaken, there's also a USB 3 port on the side, which there is. We'll peel off the plastic here. Always love getting that, the first peeling sound, so seems to be stuck on there good, pretty good. So you're looking for a good, oh yeah, that is the peeling sound that we've been waiting for. Oop. Almost knocked that off. Got the cat here. Let's investigate. That's my furry helper. Kids are downstairs ignoring me, so probably for the best. Alright, well, get the last couple of touches off there. I will see you guys in the next video. I'll do a bit of a brand tour here on it. As you can see, my mini there and my Samsung wireless charger. And a couple other things. So anyways, talk to you guys in the next one, and peace.